This TV hasn't been updated since '68. I'm getting arthritis. Look at that. Terry, give me a minute. Or a second, excuse me. Yeah, Frankie, it's Sam. Yeah, I know you're in Vegas, Frankie. Listen, I need new cameras and a television. Yeah, one of the flat ones. No. No, not a projection one, a real one. Overnight, I'll wire the cash to you. You make it so bright. Woo! Just imagine this for the whole group. I saw your now hiring sign, but your door was locked so, and your neon sign, open sign, was off. I think you need to get it fixed. I think you need to fix it. But I'm here, and I'm here to work. Who are you? Billy. But my real name is William. I just found out people have been calling me Billy my whole life, and I asked them to. Terry here, nice to meet you. You Paul McCartney? People keep saying that Billy's Paul, like I've got a mop top and Abbey Road in my bucket. Come into the office. Peace and love, man. Peace and love. I can serve, I can clean, I can stir soup clockwise to align carcasses. You're hired. Sam, you called? Yeah, I wanted to say I'm sorry. You're hired back. Can you apologize to Joseph and Joey? I'll call them. Joey, look. I'm not ready to. I said I'm sorry, damn it. Sorry about the fuck. Hey, Sam. We were wondering if the kitchen could do something special for us. You know, me and my wife. Why are you in my kitchen? No. No specials. Let them have something. I'll do it myself. I want you to make it an exception for me. Who even are you? Flora Bomback. Yes, like the book. No, I don't get it. And no, I don't get anything I want, clearly. Because I asked for extra mayonnaise, and got shame. Dang! Peace and love, Flora, peace and love. Let's walk back a few steps. Come on. I'll seat you. We got a seat open right now. You need me to sing to her? I've got Let It Be loaded into my store. Now, in my darkness, she's standing right in front of me. Billy, get back to folding napkins now.